The deployment of artificial intelligence in corporate settings has created unprecedented challenges in attributing responsibility for AI-driven decisions. Unlike traditional decision-making processes, AI systems introduce multiple layers of complexity, involving numerous stakeholders from developers to end users, each with varying degrees of influence and control over outcomes. Corporate executives and boards of directors bear primary responsibility for AI deployment decisions. They must ensure proper oversight of AI system development and implementation, establishment of ethical guidelines and compliance frameworks, resource allocation for testing and validation, and creation of clear chains of responsibility. Corporate executives and boards of directors bear primary responsibility for AI deployment decisions. They must ensure proper oversight of AI system development and implementation, establishment of ethical guidelines and compliance frameworks, resource allocation for testing and validation, and creation of clear chains of responsibility. AI developers and engineers hold responsibility for technical implementation and system architecture, documentation of decision-making processes, testing for bias and fairness, and implementation of safety measures and controls. Operational managers are responsible for day-to-day supervision of AI systems. They need to monitor system performance and report any issues and anomalies. Additionally, they are tasked with training end users. These departments must ensure regulatory compliance, conduct risk assessment and mitigation, and document liability frameworks. They are also responsible for developing incident response protocols. Let's talk about technical accountability. This includes the implementation of audit trails, documentation of training data and model parameters, regular testing and validation procedures, and version control along with change management. Now moving on to legal accountability. There should be clear contractual obligations, insurance coverage for AI-related incidents, compliance with industry regulations, and documentation of decision-making processes. Finally, ethical accountability. This involves the establishment of AI ethics committees, regular ethical impact assessments, stakeholder consultation processes, and transparency in AI decision-making. One of the key challenges in attributing responsibility in AI is its technical complexity. The black box nature of many AI systems makes it, difficult to trace specific decisions to their root causes. This complexity can obscure responsibility and make attributing accountability for adverse outcomes, quite challenging. Another significant issue is distributed decision-making. AI systems often involve multiple stakeholders and components, making it difficult to isolate individual responsibility. Decisions may result from complex interactions between human inputs, algorithmic processes, and environmental factors. Lastly, temporal factors play a crucial role. The time lag between system development, deployment, and outcome can complicate responsibility attribution. Systems may evolve through machine learning, making it difficult to assign responsibility for unexpected behaviors that emerge over time. Clear organizational structures, establishment of AI governance committees, definition of clear roles and responsibilities, creation of escalation pathways, and regular review and updates of responsibility frameworks. Technical solutions. Implementation of explainable AI techniques, development of robust monitoring systems, creation of audit trails, and regular testing and validation procedures. Legal and regulatory frameworks, development of industry standards, creation of liability frameworks, insurance requirements, and regulatory compliance procedures. Immediate actions. 1. Establish clear AI governance structures. 2. Implement comprehensive documentation requirements. 3. Develop incident response protocols. 4. Create training programs for all stakeholders. Long-term strategies. 1. Invest in explainable AI technologies. 2. Develop industry partnerships for standard setting. 3. Create robust testing and validation frameworks. 4. Establish ongoing stakeholder consultation processes. The question of responsibility for AI decisions in corporate settings requires a multifaceted approach that considers technical, legal, and ethical dimensions. Success depends on creating clear frameworks for accountability while acknowledging AI decision-making systems' complex and distributed nature. Organizations must work to establish clear lines of responsibility while maintaining flexibility to address emerging challenges. This requires an ongoing commitment to transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations in AI deployment and operation. Please read the description of this video. Thank you for watching.